everybody, how are you?
Welcome.
Welcome. It is that time of the week already. It's our What's Sold video on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari.
Yeah, join us. All right, so first going out, we have the smallest item of the day, and that is a Nantucket basket locket pendant with a sailboat on it, and it's gold tone, and it has a little penny inside this little basket here.
It
Wow.
is the cutest little thing, and inside of this basket, if I can do it, is a little tiny penny. Oh my gosh, wait, you guys, look. Boop.
All right, wow. The tiniest little thing. So
and
cool.
it goes with this cute little basket.
And that went for $39.
Yay! And
I know, right?
And it is stamped. I can see it there, so it's pretty awesome.
And some of these go for hundreds, but this one is not like 14 karat gold or anything like that.
And it has a boat on it.
Yep, there's a little scrimshaw on there. It's so cool.
Yeah.
So cool. $39. Way to go, honey, listing that one.
Thanks.
Super cool. Next going out, also on Poshmark, is a vintage Youngin Duck Bay brown camel hunting and fishing hat. Now this thing is just like a brown camel color. Super old, super vintage, went for $15 on Poshmark. And we're gonna find those over here. Let's see. So I believe I took an offer. Not so bad. I mean, this is, you see this, you know, sort of like vintage here. Duck Bay, really cool. And $15. So we'll send that out to the avid hunter that's gonna be using this soon. And so we're gonna go find some other things I sold on Poshmark, and one of those is a Swatch official timekeeper Athens Olympics bag. Now we're gonna find that in R4.
R4.
And that went for $25 on Poshmark. Now, honey, I think you found this in Goodwill at some point in time.
R4?
R4. So.
Here we go. R4.
Now this thing is pretty cool looking, you know. I mean, it's a vintage now, 2004, so 20 years old, considered vintage, and it is linked with the Olympics.
So cool. It has a little swatch thing here that says official timekeeper.
So, you know, maybe this is a Swatch collector, maybe it's somebody who collects things from the Olympics, maybe it's somebody that was at those, at that specific Olympic event.
Right? Yeah, absolutely.
Super cool.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So, I'll put that back for you, honey. Wow,
It's
nice
okay.
work. Getting a good workout, right?
Yeah.
All right. So in bin C3 over here, we're gonna find a Venus black and white halter top one piece bathing suit.
Blah, blah, blah.
And that sold for $26 on Poshmark. Wow, for
I
a
love
used.
Venus. Venus has some really cute things, really cute dresses, usually are on the sexier side. So I was really happy to find this one.
Awesome. And
Yeah.
$26 for a used swimsuit, it's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, really good shape.
Awesome. All right, so next going out in bin R3, we're going to find some Lululemon cropped athletic leggings and pants, mid-rise, size 8. Those went for $21.99 plus shipping. Now,
My new technique.
makes it very easy to find, you know, when you got like 7 pairs of black leggings in one bin, right?
Yeah, and these crinkly ones, we didn't really like these bags too much, but it's easy because when you flip it over and seal it, you can slide your little sticker right in there and then pull it out when you're selling it.
That is awesome. Way to go, babe. I like that.
I have my moments.
Keeps it nice and organized. Very good.
I'm trying, baby.
And also from cross-listing, these are listings that you made, honey, and then I went ahead and cross-listed them via List Perfectly over to eBay, and that's where they're selling. So really happy about that. And use our code in the description there to get 30% off your first month of List Perfectly and get some new eyes on your product.
You have to check it out. Seriously, life-changing for us.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we're going to go in bin P3, which is just right down here again, right by Forest. Oh my gosh, we're going to find an Anthony Richards midi skirt. It's like floral. Oh my gosh, right there on top.
Here it is.
$19.99 plus shipping for that. And size large with an elastic waist. Maybe it has some pockets or something.
It's nice. It's vintage. It took about 1.5 years or so to sell. I was surprised about that.
Oh, yeah? Oh, wow.
It finally went.
Okay, well, it went on eBay, so that's kind of cool.
That is really cool. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And then sort of right below that, in bin S3, we're going to find a Coldwater Creek ribbed knit wrap sweater with ruffles.
Oh,
that's a cape or a shawl.
Yeah.
New tags, $19.99 plus shipping.
I just listed this about 2 weeks ago or so, right?
I think so, yeah.
Wow. Really
Very nice.
soft and very cozy.
Yeah, I mean, for $19.99 plus shipping, you know, we're getting some good sales here. With that.
Coldwater Creek is another great brand to look out for. It's kind of like a J. Jill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm learning so many things about clothing, so much about clothing and brands from you, honey. Thanks so much.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. I'm trying.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
hard to keep up with you, baby.
Oh, I don't know. I mean, all of these sales are mostly clothes that you listed, except for a few more of these things on eBay, which, now this I think we found in Goodwill. This is a little plush. It went for $7.99 plus shipping. This is a Fuzzy Friends Hedgehog 5-inch. And still has tags on it.
A hedgehog.
Yeah.
Don't let Elmer see it.
I know. Oh my gosh, this would be devoured in 2 seconds.
Oh yeah.
This has to go to its new happy little owner. And $7.99 plus shipping. No problem. I probably paid like $1 for it, and took no time to ship and list and store. It was really small. So, what else we have? Okay, so these are a couple of things that we found with some retail arbitrage videos. Now this one, you'll remember us going to Five Below, and we picked up a ton of leashes, and we're gonna find those over here in bin H2. Leashes and dog collars, most of them were Star Wars themed, and this one here is a Star Wars Darth Vader's 6-foot pet leash. Of course, new tags, and that went for $11.99 plus shipping.
Wow.
And you'll probably remember us, you know, selling these, you know, every other video or so now. We're getting into it, so I'm really happy these are going right here. So it's got sort of a yellowish and the Darth Vader things here. So
Cool.
$12 plus shipping. We paid $2 for each one of these, and I don't even know. We picked up like 40 of them, and we're certainly in profit land by now. So continuing to bring those over to the dog owners that are Star Wars fans as well. And another one, we went to Home Goods and picked these up. Now, these are already selling out. We only could find a few bags at discounted prices. Now, this is a natural balanced freeze-dried raw dog food, and or treats, actually. You could use them as food if you want. This one for $28.99 plus shipping. We paid maybe $3 for these, so we'll put these in a flat rate envelope if we need to. See, these are an S2. We're gonna find these over here. Another thing that the puppies would sure like.
Oh my goodness.
All right, last bag. So
Oh my
we're
gosh.
gonna have to go back to Home Goods or TJ Maxx,
Woohoo,
wherever
yeah.
we got these, and pick up some more because hey, they suck. All right, guys, that's it. There was nothing on Mercari this time, but yeah, that's okay. We had some really good sales on eBay and Poshmark, but oh my gosh, guys, we cannot wait to show you again what sold. We can't wait for it to clear up because we're gonna go take the kayaks out again and enjoy a beautiful day out there
Outside of the office.
outside of the office. Oh my gosh, get out there when you can.
Thanks for joining us, everybody.
Yeah, take care, and we'll see you next time. Hats up to you.